Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Madiha Qureshi, teacher of Guards Public School 1. I welcome you all in lecture number 4 of Science for class 3. Today I am going to start new unit and the name of the unit is Materials, which is in your book on page number 53. Now I would like to share the topics which we will discuss in this unit, and the topics are definition of material, properties of materials, conductors and insulators, kinds of materials, and natural resources. Definition of material. Material is any substance that we use to make an object. We use a wide range of materials in our daily life. Example, clothes we wear, houses we live in, vehicles we travel on, chairs we sit on, and spoon we eat with, all are made from different types of materials. मटीरियल वो सब्सटेंस होता है जिसे हम कोई भी चीज़ बनाने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, और मटीरियल हम अपनी डेली लाइफ में यूज़ करते हैं, लाइक क्लोथ्स वी वेयर, कपड़े जो हम पहनते हैं, हाउसेस वी लिव इन, जहाँ हम रहते हैं, व्हीकल्स जिस पर हम ट्रैवल करते हैं, एट्सेट्रा. इवन ऑल थिंग्स दैट वी यूज़ इन आवर डेली लाइफ आर मेड फ्रॉम डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मटीरियल्स. Properties of materials. Materials have different properties. Different type के materials होते हैं और इनकी different properties होती हैं. And the properties are transparent and opaque, waterproof and absorbent, magnetic and non-magnetic, flexible and rigid, strong or weak, hard or soft. Now, we will discuss these properties in detail. Transparent and opaque. Transparent materials allow light to pass through them. Transparent materials वो होते हैं जिसमें light pass हो सकती है, like glass. In these pictures, you can see that light can pass through glass. Opaque materials do not allow light to pass through them. Opaque materials वो होते हैं जिसमें light pass नहीं हो सकती, like wood, metal, etc. You can see the picture that light cannot pass through wood. Waterproof and absorbent. Waterproof materials do not soak up water. They are not absorbent. Waterproof materials water को absorb नहीं करते, like umbrella, raincoat, gloves, football, etc. These all are waterproof materials. Absorbent materials soak up water. They are not waterproof. एब्जॉर्बेंट मटीरियल्स वो होते हैं जो वाटर को अपने अंदर एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं, लाइक टॉवल, स्पंज, क्लोथ्स, एट्सेट्रा. मैग्नेटिक एंड नॉन मैग्नेटिक. मैग्नेटिक मटीरियल्स आर अट्रैक्टेड टू मैग्नेट्स. मैग्नेटिक मटीरियल्स वो होते हैं जो मैग्नेट की तरफ अट्रैक्ट होते हैं. Now, you can see those things which are made of iron and steel are attracted to magnet, like scissor, nails, paper pens, fry pan, etc. Non-magnetic materials are not attracted to magnet. Non-magnetic materials वो होते हैं जो magnet से attract नहीं हो सकते, like wood, paper, rubber, plastic, etc. These all are Non-magnetic materials. Flexible and rigid. Flexible materials are easy to bend like cloth and paper. Flexible materials में flexibility होती है जो easily bend और fold हो जाते हैं. Rigid materials cannot be bent easily. Rigid materials वो होते हैं जो easily bend नहीं हो सकते, like glass and concrete. Concrete means solid things. Solid things cannot bend easily. Strong or weak, hard or soft. Strong and hard materials are difficult to scratch or break, like rocks and stones, coins, etc. Some things are soft, some things can be hard to touch but easy to break. Example, glass. When we hold the glass, we feel it hard, but it can break easily. जब हम ग्लास को होल्ड करते हैं, it feels solid things. वो हमें solid लगती है, hard लगती है, but वो easily break हो सकता है. Conductors. The materials which allow heat or electricity to pass through them are called conductors. वो materials जिसमें heat और electricity pass हो सकती है वो conductors कहलाते हैं, like saucepan, toaster, etc. A metal saucepan heats up its contents quickly. Copper wires inside the toaster let the electric pass through them. Insulators. The materials which do not allow heat or electricity to pass through them are called insulators. वो materials जिसमें heat और electricity पास नहीं हो सकती वो insulators कहलाते हैं, like wood, plastic, etc. Kinds of materials. Materials are of different kinds, like fabric, wood, plastic, metal, paper, etc. The materials which we found naturally on earth are called natural materials. वो materials जो हमें कुदरती तौर पर ज़मीन से मिलते हैं वो natural materials कहलाते हैं, like wood, metal, rocks, etc. Humans make objects and other materials from these materials are called man-made materials. इंसान इन नेचुरल मटेरियल से जो दूसरी चीज़ें या मटेरियल्स बनाते हैं वो मैन मेड मटेरियल्स कहलाते हैं, लाइक पेपर, ग्लास, प्लास्टिक, etc. Now we will discuss kinds of materials in detail. Paper. Paper is a man-made material. It is made from wood fiber, which is a natural material. It can burn easily. It is used for writing, printing, and packing, etc. पेपर मैन-मेड मटेरियल है जो नेचुरल मटेरियल वुड फाइबर से बनता है. ये इजीली बर्न हो जाता है और राइटिंग, प्रिंटिंग एंड पैकिंग के लिए यूज़ होता है. Metals. Metals come from rocks called ores. They are strong, hard, and shiny materials that can be hammered or molded into different shapes without breaking. Metal rock से हासिल होता है जो कि ores कहलाता है. मेटल्स को विदाउट ब्रेकिंग डिफरेंट शेप्स में मोल्ड किया जा सकता है, लाइक कटलरी, saucepan, coin, and car. These all things are made from metal. Plastic. Plastic are materials that are not found naturally but are made from chemicals extracted from oil. They are not magnetic and not conduct heat or electricity. They are used to make all sort of things such as plastic bags, plastic bottles, toys, etc. प्लास्टिक मटेरियल्स नेचुरली नहीं होते, ये केमिकल से बनते हैं जो कि ऑयल से निकलता है। ये मैग्नेटिक नहीं होते और इसमें हीट और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास नहीं होती। प्लास्टिक से बहुत सी चीज़ें बनती हैं जैसे प्लास्टिक बैग्स, प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स, टॉयज़ etc. ग्लास. Glass is made by melting sand. Glass sand को melt करके बनता है. Thick glass can be strong, but thin glass will break very easily. Glass is mostly used for objects that need to be transparent, such as windows and spectacles. Mostly glass transparent objects के लिए use किया जाता है, जैसे कि विंडोज एंड स्पेक्टिकल्स मीन्स आई ग्लासेस. Fibers. Fibers are long thin threads of materials like hair. Fibers are not very strong on their own, but when they are spun together, they can be made into thread, string or rope. The thread can be woven into fabric or clothes. Fibers long thin thread होते हैं hair की तरह. ये strong नहीं होते, but जब इनको आपस में join किया जाता है तो इनसे thread, string और rope बनाए जाते हैं और इन thread से fabric और clothes बनते हैं. Now come to the last topic, that is natural resources. How long will they stay? Natural resources are things that comes from nature. Wood is a useful and important natural resource. Trees are cut down to get wood. Trees take a long time to grow. If more trees are not planted to replace the ones that have been cut down, this natural resources could run out. Natural resources कुदरती तौर पर हासिल होते हैं. So, we take an example of wood. Wood is very useful and important natural resource, but वुड को हासिल करने के लिए ट्रीज़ को काटा जाता है और अगर इसी तरह ट्रीज़ को ख़त्म किया जाएगा और इसकी जगह दूसरे ट्रीज़ प्लांट नहीं किए जाएंगे तो नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज ख़त्म हो सकते हैं. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? यस, वी हैव टू प्लांट मोर ट्रीज़. Now it's review time. So we have discussed definition of materials, properties of materials, conductor and insulator, kinds of materials and natural resources. So students, we have completed the whole unit materials in today's lecture. Students, must watch and listen the video very carefully. Then you have to do the home assignment in your science copy. Question number 1 is define material. Question number 2, write the names of any 3 natural materials. And 3, man-made materials. Question number 3. Differentiate between conductors and insulators. Question number 4. Define magnetic and non-magnetic materials. Question number 5. Write any 2 points on paper. Question number 6. Define transparent and opaque materials. Now you have to do exercises in your science book on page number 59. Question number 1 and question number 2.